Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can check all the airdrops on Cosmos and how you can claim it. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So for Cosmos, I would highly recommend is using a Leaf wallet or Keplr wallet. My personal favorite is Leaf wallet because it has embedded the airdrops in it, so which I will show you. So all you have to do is you will need to go to cosmos.leaf wallet and go in portfolio. Use this link and you need to connect your Leaf wallet first over here. Once you are connected, just go to this explore section and scroll a bit down and check for airdrops. Now you can check all the airdrop eligibility over here. Now you can manually input your address or maybe you can autofill with the wallet once connected. So I will go ahead and autofill it. And now I will go ahead and check the eligibility. As you can see, none of my address are currently eligible for any active airdrops, but in future as soon as any airdrop comes, I will be eligible. So this is how you can check for active airdrops. And there is one more thing. You can also check for upcoming airdrops by clicking over here. So once I click over here, now these are all the claimable airdrops over here right now. You can click on them individually, and if you are eligible, you can go ahead and claim it. Now these are some of the announced one, so this would be in the future. So what you can do is you can follow the Twitter pages and stay active, and hopefully you will be getting good airdrops out of it. And also these are some of the speculated airdrops in the future. So there are a lot of airdrops that are coming in Cosmos ecosystem in the future. I would suggest is at least have like $1,000 plus on Cosmos and stake your tokens on Cosmos, because I will show you one example on my Leaf wallet that apart from the airdrops there are staking rewards also. So for example, I am on my Kujira network right now and I've staked like 50 Kuji tokens, and as you can see there's like although the value is pretty less right now, most of them will be dust, but there would be some good airdrops that you will be getting. So airdrops and the staking reward, so this is like plus 70. So I have claimed some of them. So as you can see, this is like USK Manta, a lot of them you keep getting. And also you can like switch between chains. For example, if you go to Cosmos hub and check stake, so it's like atom plus 13 more. And I'm slowly getting into Cosmos ecosystem. I think I'm going to shift my portfolio from some other coins and tokens to Cosmos, because I personally have started liking Cosmos ecosystem in general because of the speed, the low gas fees, and the interchain operational. So this is like pretty good, I think so. And in future like 2024, I think so it will be good for Cosmos and ecosystem, and you can expect a lot of airdrops in this. So this is all for today's video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.